decision, the nation's highest court said it won't block the law, known as SB 4, that gives local and state police the power to arrest and detain migrants suspected of crossing the border illegally. The federal government has been the sole authority of immigration enforcement for decades, and critics say this ruling is an affront to federal law. The case now heads back to the Court of Appeals to decide if it is constitutional or not. In the meantime, it's a major victory for Texas, and Republicans said that they fundamentally disagree with this Supreme Court's order. CBS's Ed O'Keefe is authority of immigration enforcement for decades, and critics say this ruling is an affront to federal law. The case now heads back to the Court of Appeals to decide if it is constitutional or not. In the meantime, it's a major victory for Texas and Republican governors.
Now, Lone Star State Sheriff and police departments can arrest, jail, and judges can prosecute migrants accused of illegally entering the U.S.
He's not denying illegal entry. President Biden is aiding and abetting illegal entry.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott, who's been locked in a years-long fight with the federal government over border security, last year signed what's known as the SB 4 law, and the historic increase in migrant border crossings. Today, he called the Supreme Court's ruling a positive development. The White House sought to block the law, and today said it's another example of Republican officials politicizing the border while blocking real solutions. He called on Congress to pass a bipartisan border security plan currently being blocked in the House. The appeals court to rule quickly. Liberal Justices Sonia Sotomayor and Ketanji Brown Jackson questioned the law's constitutionality and said it will upend the long-standing federal-state balance of power and sow chaos. Multiple law enforcement officials